Just gonna fill it up and go back in. Not sitting, look at all their holes. Like, I don't feed them, so they have to go dig up their peanuts. Burning, no wind today, so burning season has started. They burn the prairies, the pastures, everything. So it's very, very smoky. And you can, well, I know what I'm looking for, but it's smoky. And I haven't quite recovered from yesterday's fall. Unfortunately, I landed on my right side, and it's the knee that's going to have surgery, and I have rotator cuff issues on my right side, so that's another surgery. So rooster, I don't see, oh, I hear the birds, but looks like spider webs over here. Anyway, going back in, we have feathers or something. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow.